Tonight, 19 prospective jurors could have been exposed to COVID by a bailiff who tested positive.
Maricopa County's court officials say that bailiff was tested the night before jury selection, and he showed up to work without having the results back. David Caltabiano has the story.
The defendant was upset along with everybody else.
Tonight, defense attorney Vicky Lopez is speaking out after being inside the same North Mesa Justice courtroom as a bailiff who tested positive for COVID-19 over the weekend. She's joined by law firm partner Todd Nolan.
It's a concern that someone who is participating in democracy, doing their civic duty to serve as jurors, is potentially exposed to COVID-19. It's not just about keeping all of those people safe. It's about keeping the people that work in the criminal justice system safe as well.
A spokesperson with Maricopa County Justice Courts told me the bailiff got a test on Thursday after a coworker tested positive. Without having the results back, the bailiff went in for jury selection on Friday. She didn't find out she was positive until Saturday. The spokesperson says the bailiff wore a mask and didn't have symptoms. Her only interaction with 19 potential jurors, the spokesperson says, was to call them into the courtroom and open or close the door for them.
The CDC guidelines is that if you've been exposed and you're concerned and you're getting tested, that while you're being tested, you should be quarantined.
Dr. Andrew Carroll says the bailiff could have exposed people in the courtroom.
This exposure is very concerning. This is why employers need to be very aggressive about making sure that patients or the people that work for them, if they're being tested, they should be home while they're waiting for that test result.
The court spokesperson points to CDC guidelines for government infrastructure workers, which allows employees to continue working while they wait for test results, so long as they aren't showing any symptoms and are social distancing, as well as wearing a mask. In Mesa, David Caltabiano for Arizona's Family.
Well, everyone in the courtroom was made aware of the situation. The spokesperson for Justice Courts told Arizona's Family they are following the rules set by the Supreme and Superior Courts of Arizona, so we reached out to them and we're waiting to hear back. But to date, 25 court employees have tested positive for the virus since March.